Now this is what you call artwork. Done by yours truly. Now that's really nice.